Jayco Pinnacle 36 KPTS for sale in Spruce Grove, Alberta Canada T4X4N3 Get ready for your next road-worthy adventure with this 2012 Jayco Pinnacle 36 KPTS. This charming fifth wheel is 40.4 feet in length and features a spacious floor plan that comes equipped with 3 slide-outs with toppers, 1 awning, and sleeping accommodations for up to 4 guests. Perfect for anyone looking to create lasting memories with loved ones and friends. Hit the road with minimal effort in this Jayco because it comes with the convenience of power leveling jacks, easy lube axles, radial tires, and plenty of storage space both inside and out. This Jayco Pinnacle offers the ideal setup for anyone who enjoys a quality, residential living experience right on the campsite. With top-of-the-line amenities and luxury appointments throughout, this luxury fifth wheel is eager to become your next home away from home. The brown-colored exterior is complemented by a stunning Maplewood/brown leather interior, and it comes fully loaded with options and features that are essential to anyone looking to truly cherish their RV experiences. Highlights of these advantages include Corian countertops, 3 burner stove/OvenConvection MicrowaveRefrigerator/FreezerDouble kitchen, SinkDinetteFireplaceTelevisionSurround, SoundDVD/CD/StereoCable, ReadySofa, SleeperChairs, stand-up ShowerWasher/dryer, HookupsMaster, king-size BedMaster, bedroom television, storage, DresserBasement, StorageFurnaceHeat, PumpVacuumPower, boost, AntennaTowing, PackageSmoke, DetectorBack, GeneratorFront, skirt, extended warranty till October 2021, and so much more. This 2012 Jayco Pinnacle 36 KPTS has been very well maintained with meticulous attention to detail invested into its care. It is exceptionally clean both inside and out, which makes this fifth wheel an essential to anyone looking to make their traveling dreams come true. This Jayco is priced well below its true value, so don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Call today for more information on how you can experience everything life has to offer with this impressive Jayco Pinnacle.